Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Have you seen the new ChatGPT trend that turns you into a caricature? In this video, I will show you how to create your own caricature on ChatGPT step by step and how this viral ChatGPT trend works. So to know how to do that, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to ChatGPT app, as you see, and you will click. In this first page, you will have this window of create images. So you will enter to create images. Then in this page, you will find here describe an image, and you can choose your image here also. So first, you have to do is to go to the sign of choosing images. So you can choose your photo here or your image, and then you will write this. You will write create a caricature of me and my job or study based on everything you know about me. So if you already gave your data or your informations to ChatGPT, it will give you everything that it know about you. But if you want to make this trend more specific and more personalized, you can add other describes. For example, you can add your own study and your own job to give the ChatGPT the right things or the right information to make your own caricature. So let's try just with this. Create a caricature of me and my job or study based on everything you know about me, and we will see what it will give us. So when you click here, you have to wait a moment until your image is created. So as you see here, this is the image after the ChatGPT created your own caricature. So if you don't like something here, or you find that something is missed, or you want to add more things, you can just write here what you want exactly. For example, I like psychology here, for example, so please add this one too. So it will give you another picture when these details added here. So as you see here, you will get the modified version. Let's see the difference between this picture and this one. As you see here, it adds this new information here in the photo. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.